0. Stop recording video. Button.
Alright, we have another. We had two warnings. One that just was finished off. One that's now coming through again. This was tornado warning. I told you so.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 201, effective until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday.
Another watch.
This watch includes the following counties in Missouri, Laclede, and Wright. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
So we've got a severe thunderstorm watch that just came out, and we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is literally huge.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 201 has been issued until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Missouri, Laclede, and Wright.
I'll repeat. Very crazy. Holy crap. 3 back-to-back EAS notifications. This is scary as heck.
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Barton County,
I seen that
Cedar
coming.
County, northwestern Lawrence County, southern Vernon County, eastern Jasper County, Dade County, until 2:15 a.m.
That
Central
includes
Daylight
basically
Time. At 8:16
everywhere in our
p.m.
west
Central
area.
Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar estimates 2 to 3 inches of rain have
2 to
fallen.
3 inches of rain.
Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Creeks, streams, and low water crossings will be especially susceptible to the dangers of flash flooding. Locations in the warning include Carthage, Stockton State Park, Nevada, Limar, Stockton, Greenfield, Lockwood, Jasper, Golden City, Sheldon, Montevallo, Fidelity, Broadall, Danville, Jericho Springs, Lamar Heights, Avila, Moundville, Milo, South Greenfield. This warning includes but is not limited to the following low water crossings. Highway 37 at the Spring River southwest of Avila, Route M at Bear Creek east of Stockton, Route C at Horse Creek east of Milford, Route KK at Drywood Creek 5 miles northwest of Moundville, and Highway 97 at Keller Branch 8 miles north of Lockwood. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until...
And I cut it off.
Tornado watch number 2 remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Missouri: Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Tingy, and Webster. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 2 remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Missouri: Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Tingy, and Webster.
70%. Viewfinder. Viewfinder. Stop. 4 minutes. Stop recording video. 4 minutes. 52 seconds.
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning
flood warning
Eastern
has
Clark
been
County,
first.
Cedar County, Northwestern Lawrence County,
We're gonna let it
Southern
run
Vernon
through
County,
that
Eastern
flash flood
Jasper
warning,
County,
and then we'll
Dade
get
County,
to
until 2:15 a.m. Central
what is it
Daylight
called?
Time.
The severe thunderstorm
At
warning that was
8:16
huge.
p.m. Central
5 minutes,
Daylight
12
Time,
seconds.
Doppler radar indicated
I
thunderstorms
will see you
producing
guys
heavy rain
when
across
this
the Orange
dumb
area.
warning is over.
Stop recording.